Videostream spoofing in Octo browser allows you to replace your webcam feed with any other video. Currently, Videostream spoofing is available in the Windows version of Octo browser. Let's say that we want websites to see this video through our profile's webcam. Launch the profile and click the Videostream spoofing button. You can also use the hotkeys. CTRL SHIFT L. Select the prepared video file. While the spoofing is in progress, the button will flash red. Spoofing takes time because the video needs to be converted into the required format. If the video has been successfully spoofed, the button will turn solid red. When spoofing is successful, the video is looped so that the webcam feed stays uninterrupted. You can replace the already spoofed video with another one by clicking the spoofing button again. If the page finishes loading before the spoofing completes, that is, while the red button is still flashing, the spoofed video will not be played. After the button turns solid red, you need to refresh the page, and then the spoofed video will be streamed from the uploaded file. During Videostream spoofing, Octo browser will create temporary files necessary for the spoofing to work. Make sure that there is enough free space on your hard drive, otherwise, spoofing will not work. To stop the spoofing and show the real webcam feed again, press CTRL SHIFT U or simply close the profile. If you still have questions, please refer to our documentation. You will find the link in the video description. You can also contact our customer service using the dedicated button in the browser, on the website, or via our Telegram bot. Subscribe to the Octo browser channel so you don't miss new tutorial videos.